Most people think they're bad at conversations. They're not. They're just running on autopilot like a microwave with 3 buttons. Watch what happens in 90% of conversations. Someone asks how you are. You say, "Good, you?" They say, "Good." And now you're both pretending to check your phones because two adults just used language to communicate absolutely nothing. You're not the problem here. The training is. 12 years of school teaching you about photosynthesis and 0 minutes teaching you how to talk to another human without sounding like a customer service bot. So today, we're fixing that. Quick warning though, once you see this, you're going to cringe at every conversation you've had in the last 5 years. My bad in advance. Okay, first issue. Call it full stop disease. Someone asks you something, you answer, and then you just stop. Like you've completed a transaction. How was your weekend? Pretty chill. Silence. And then it's over. Every time you do this, you've slammed the door on the conversation. The other person now has to do all the work, and most people won't because they're also tired and just trying to survive Tuesday. So the conversation dies. You walk away thinking you're boring. You're probably not. You just hit the brakes before the other person could even pull in. Here's the fix, and it's almost insulting how simple it is. Answer, then ask something back. That's it. Pretty chill. What about you? Now there's somewhere to go. But this is where most people mess it up next, because they hear ask questions and immediately turn into a job interviewer. Where are you from? What do you do? Any hobbies, pets, blood type, mother's maiden name? Calm down. You're having a conversation, not opening a bank account.
The trick is, your next question should come from what they just said, not from a list in your head. They mentioned they just got back from a trip? Don't pivot to, "So what's your job?" Ask about the trip, who they went with, what made them book it last minute, what surprised them when they got there. Their answer becomes your next question. That's the loop. Once you're in it, conversations stop feeling like work. Now, here's something kind of weird, and I cannot take credit for noticing this. Look at the word listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. 6 letters. Rearrange them, and you get the word silent. Same 6 letters, different word. Coincidence? Sure, but it's a useful one. Because real listening means going quiet, not just physically, but mentally. Most of us don't actually listen. We just wait for our turn to talk while preloading the next thing we want to say. And the other person can feel it. They might not say it, but they feel it. When you actually listen, the next question writes itself. You don't have to be clever. You just have to be present. Okay, but I know what some of you are thinking. So I just shut up and let her talk forever and become a human therapy chair? No, this isn't about disappearing. Share stuff too. Tell stories, have opinions, disagree sometimes. The goal isn't to ask 47 questions and reveal nothing about yourself. The goal is to stop performing. That's the bigger shift. Most people walk into conversations trying to be interesting. They rehearse lines, they overthink, they want to seem cool, funny, smart, mysterious, whatever. And the harder you try to be interesting, the less interesting you actually become. People can smell performance from across the room. This isn't even new advice. Dale Carnegie wrote about it in 1936 in How to Win Friends and Influence People. Almost a century ago, and somehow we still haven't figured it out. His whole point was the same. You become more attractive in conversation the second you stop trying to be impressive and start being curious. Worth a read. Links below if you want it. So here's the switch. Stop trying to be interesting. Start being interested. That one move changes your dating life, your interviews, your friendships, your first impressions, all of it. Nobody remembers what you said. They remember how the conversation felt when they were near you. Try it this week. One conversation. Don't stop at a one-word answer. Respond, then ask back. And actually listen to what they say. You'll be surprised how much opens up just from giving a damn about the person in front of you. That's it from me. Costs you a like and a subscribe if it helped. Catch you in the next one.